Most YouTubers make you wait until the end for the big hack, but not me. I'm giving you the first hack right now. Here it is. You don't need a specific credit card to fly for almost free. I used Amex Platinum and Delta Platinum for this trip, but you can do the same thing with Chase, Capital One, Citi, even BILT. The secret is transferring your points to airline partners when the deals pop up. For this flight, my sister Veronica and I flew round trip to Vancouver for just 24,000 points and $24 each. Yep, less than the cost of a dinner out. And I promise, I've got 2 more powerful hacks coming later in this video, so stay with me. You'll be able to copy these tricks step by step. I built up my points with the Amex Platinum and Delta Platinum Amex, but remember, you can rack up points with any good travel card. The key is spending in categories that earn you the most back: dining, travel, groceries. Add in those welcome bonuses and you'll have enough for your first free flight quicker than you think. When I searched for flights, I used the Delta Sky Miles portal. And here's a pro tip: always search with flexible dates. Prices and points can swing wildly from day to day. By being flexible, I found the Vancouver flight for only 24,000 points round trip instead of double that. Here's the breakdown. For 24,000 points plus $24 each, Veronica and I got 2 round trip tickets to Vancouver. That's 48,000 points total, plus $48 cash for both of us. Unreal, especially when you compare it to the cash price of over $400 per ticket. Booking was easy. I transferred Amex points to Delta Sky Miles and confirmed the flight. Here's your mid-video hack. If you use portals like Amex Travel, Chase Ultimate Rewards, or Capital One Travel, sometimes you can earn extra points back on the flight you're already booking. That's right, you're getting free travel and earning points for your next trip. This wasn't a bare-bones economy ticket. We got priority boarding, extra legroom, and Delta Sky Club lounge access, free snacks, drinks, and a chill space before boarding. Those little luxuries make travel so much better. Here's your quick playbook. Get a travel card that earns transferable points: Amex, Chase, Capital One, Citi, or BILT. Earn points in bonus categories and cash in on welcome bonuses. Search flights with flexible dates to find the lowest point price. Transfer your points to airline partners when the value makes sense. Pay a tiny fee and enjoy your trip. And here's your last hack. Never forget to check partner airlines. The same Delta flight to Vancouver that cost me 24,000 points? Sometimes you can grab it through Air France or Virgin Atlantic for even fewer points. That's the hidden trick seasoned travelers use. So there you go. 3 hacks that let my sister Veronica and I fly to Vancouver for just $24 each. If you love these tips, hit that like button and subscribe, because I've got plenty more ways to travel luxuriously for less. And now I want to hear from you. If you could fly anywhere in the world for under $30, where would you go first? Leave me your answer in the comments. I'll be reading every single one.